That's it right here. What's the car? I'll ruin something there. Oh. Car coming down.
Right.
Wow. Lordy hell, what a view.
Lovely. Yeah, it is, mate. It's beautiful. Beautiful.
Wow, nice house. There's a tight turn coming up here to the right.
Right.
Get yourself into a low gear. Don't say too bad, but get into a low gear. See if I can find somewhere to pull over, get a picture down there.
Oh, that's great. Brilliant.
Yeah, let's just pull over to the left here.
Tractor. He's coming out the tractor.
Bloody hell. Wow.
Look at that, man. Aye. Look at that.
Unbelievable.
Low battery.
Hello. How have you?
Oh, what's the matter? What? What's a piddle?
Nah. Did you nearly hit that dog then?
Oh, did he come up the back on you? Really needed bloody run him out. I said, stop!
Everybody good?
Yep.
Keep an eye out for a carsy.
Huh?
Keep an eye out for a carsy.
Okay. Indicator there.
Okay. I'm lucky where we're going. Ferrana McAllen we're going. Or on Ferrana McAllen Road. Say that when you've had a couple of sherbets.
Oh,
Yep.
bloody hell.
You go. I go looking for Peakalele. Peakalele.
Oof. Wow,
Bit of gravel there.
bloody hell, what a view. Car coming.
Oh,
I think
oh,
he's
come in, man.
should be alright.
Well, we'll get past easy.
We'll get past there.
Easy.
Ferrana McAllen Road. Oh, oh my god.
Bloody hell.
Look at this.
I've died and gone to heaven with a shillelagh.
Man alive. I'm on the edge of the world. That's got to be
Yep.
Scotland over there, you know.
It's got to be,
Yeah.
Had a
just
good
thinking
chance
that,
there.
Hey?
it's got to be Scotland.
Yeah. Got to be
Well, why
Scotland.
don't they go from there on the ferry? It's closer.
Because that's the Highlands, isn't it?
Ah,
That'll be the Scottish Highlands, that will.
Sky.
Or it might be the Isle of Arran and that sort of part, and the Mull of Kintyre. Yeah, don't think it's as high up as the Highlands, but I think it's the what's it called?
My mate's dad, well, his family, mum and dad, and that they live on the islands. When he goes through, he has to go over on a boat.
Yeah, there's all little ferries to get between the islands.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Scotland. That is. I think it's Argyll and Bute.
Oh, bloody hell.
What a road!
Cardo,
I mean,
radio off. What's happening?
car coming.
Cardo, radio off.
You got to say, "Hey, Cardo."
Oh. Hey, Cardo, radio off. Fucking nasty thing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely blooming beautiful. I never thought it was going to look like this, you know.
No.
I thought it was going to be a road going up the coast, but not as spectacular as this.
Yeah, it is, ain't it?
This is massively exceeded expectations, this has.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
We ain't even on the Wild Atlantic Way yet.
Now. Just going into our Penpole. Where are we going?
We're going to Ballymoney and then Port Rush to finish off.
Sweet. Sweet.
Anybody watching wants to know where this is, it's the Ferrana McAllen Road.
Well, McKellen Road. He said that to you? Say, what are you doing on the McKellen Road?
Oh,
Look at that. There's another one.
Oh
on
man.
the tip of this.
Oh bloody hell.
Oh, look
Spectacular.
At that,
Absolutely
look at
spectacular.
that round there.
Look
I
at
think
that
we've got
house
a good.
there. Isn't it?
Oh,
Look at
brilliant.
that overlooking
Oh,
there. Oh my God.
God. I bet it's bleak in the winter though, Kev.
Oh, I bet it is.
I'd
I
suffer
bet
it.
it is.
I'd suffer it.
Oh,
Yeah,
just look out the
I know.
window.
I'd get
With all
stocked
your
up.
dogs inside.
I'd get stocked up and I'll suffer it.
Steady, steady, steady.
They
Yeah.
shocked us there. They shocked us. That's like the Nazi script. Unbelievable.
Wowzer. Bloody wowzer. Oh. Oh.
No, watch it. Last time I got me hill on the hills on with the hill in front of me, it got me off. Drop back from a drop back.
Oh, what a road. Line here coming round and then it swings to the right. Nothing coming at the moment.
Am I?
Definitely on top of the world.
Yeah. Look at that, man. There's another island past that island, look. See it in the eyes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bloody hell, bells, man. Absolutely fantastic. Just live in your caravan up here, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, look again what's coming round the corner. Oh,
Yeah,
bloody
Dave.
hell.
Right, okay. Look at this.
What's the car?
No.
Now the view again, the view.
Ow.
Oh, jeez.
Well, that's... Have
Wanna
we
put-
got to come right out to that point there? What's sticking out, or...
I don't know. Oh, bloody hell. Nothing coming.
Where's it going?
Betsy Cowan, what the bloody hell you on about?
Aye,
Hey?
there's a road like that in Betsy Coward.
All right. Now I'm with you.
The hell's breaking again. That's a Betsy Coward. Car.
I love all these fuchsia hedges.
Oh, crikey, I've only just noticed them, Dave.
I love fuchsias at the best of times, and to see the hedges rose up of them, it's yeah, I've always liked fuchsias. Got loads in my garden. Wow.
Right, this is Dave.
Oh, what's here? Oh, wow.
What's happened?
Nothing. Just this view.
Up, car.
Where?
Okay,
Oh, up we go again. Look, Ballycastle.
up we go again.
Taunton.
2, a hairpin, and then another switch back here. Make sure your gear's low and you'll be fine.
Yeah. 8. 8. I'm on now. Don't
Car coming down.
All right, mate. It's in there.
Going inland, I think now. There's 3.5 miles before we turn.
Okay, Dave.
Wow.
Oh, look at that man. Ready.
Think he's going to wait and let us go. Very nice of him. rather than be stuck behind him.
It's brilliant, eh?
Oh, absolutely
Beautiful.
awesome.
Awesome kid.
Never imagined it was going to be like this.
Now, never gave.
A bit of gravel coming round that bend, Dick.
Okay, Max. Lovely, eh, these?
Oh, it's fantastic, mate. Fantastic.
I can't believe it, I'm speechless.
Yeah, can't believe this. It's just way better than what I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Well, I don't really know what to expect.
No, mate. No, mate. No.
What you said there, we ain't starting Atlantic way yet.
No. Turning left in a second.
Okay, mate.
It is here. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, mate.
Oh, the right turn coming up shortly. It is. Oh, brother. See spot hole here.
Yeah.
Another one.
Pothole there, El. Pothole. Don't bloody hit it. Don't hit it.
Oh, hit the
Oh, I
pothole.
just missed it.
You can see them. We'll have to get her commed up, won't we?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Gonna try. You know that other one I've got, Dave? That Senna.
Yeah.
I was gonna try and pair that up, you know.
There's a version comes up, what's name now? And he reckons he pays with it and it does dear as all this lot.
Yeah. Car's
Yeah.
coming, Dave.
There's some that'll pair to another one with Bluetooth, but we've got mesh, so it's not using Bluetooth. That's why you can link so many. And as long as somebody can see somebody else, you can be a mile apart spread, but still the person at the back can hear you, as long as you can see each other.
Yeah.
Right, down here for another turn to the left shortly. That's this on the right here. What's going on here? Bed and breakfast, bike,
Yeah.
cyclists.
Hi, B&B.
Sparkle water.
Beautiful. .2 mile left turn. There's a left turn coming up in a second. 0.1 mile. yards, 80 yards. Here it is, barely visible.
So,
Barely visible. Okay.
okay, mate.
Lovely. I love it. Lovely, lovely.
Aye.
I don't have any luck finding any toilets, unfortunately.
You what, Dave?
I said, we're having no luck finding a toilet, unfortunately.
No, well.
There might be some by the memorial.
I think it might be, yeah.
Yeah, it could be, mate.
Yeah, I got a feeling there will be.
It's not as cold eaky down in the bush.
And I don't think we're that far away from there, to be honest now.
I should have bought her one of them Shiwis, Dave.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. Definitely, definitely needs a shiwi.
Yeah,
You could go where any bloke goes then.
that's it.
Any bush, Will do. Left
Get
here.
up my shoulder.
There's a little dog here. Tear-arsing
Oh, yeah.
round. On the right, he's got
Oh,
him.
watch it.
Tear-arsing round, he
Watch it.
wasn't. Right, it's left here.
Ducks. Swans.
Oh, loving these roads.
Right, say they.
Check the battery on the gear player. I'm
Oh, little sheep. You got boss sheep.
gonna run out soon, so I need a battery change in a bit. Don't want to lose any of this stuff.
Now, Dave. We're going to come back next week if we do.
Yeah. Do not want to lose any of this. Need to find out what this orange flower's called. I got it in my garden. That's lovely, but I don't know what it's called. Where they're Irish?
Sunflower. Sunflower.
Definitely ain't sunflowers. Anybody watching
I don't
knows
know
what
what
they
it's
are? Tell us what they are.
Oh, you get them in Lidl, you know, and Aldi.
Yeah,
Trendel.
yeah. Anybody knows who's watching what them orange flowers are?
I think Ellen might know,
Please
you know,
tell
Dave.
us. That'd be good. We'll ask her later.
I'm sure.
I asked a question when we were coming back from the North Coast 500. And I just said, I wonder what those pink flowers are. Somebody said what they were in the comments.
Really?
Yeah. So
I hope.
bit of gravel here. What a beautiful view. Wow. And there's a right turn at the bottom of here. Turning right. I think we're onto a bit of a main road now for a little while. Oh, that road's closed down there.
Yeah.
Thank God we ain't going that way. Okay, all here.
That was lucky though.
Aye.
That was lucky we hadn't got to go down there.
Yeah. Pull over in a second and swap this battery over.
Okay, Dave.